Oh, man, do not do that. Unscrew the oil cap. Today's oil change is brought to you by Pennzoil. Actually, I bought it, but this is what we're using, which matches what we have right here. Also got a K&N oil filter, 7-quart drain pan. Put a pan right underneath it. We're going to use a 13mm socket. Good. That's not good. Okay, now what? Oh, that's the wrong. I got it. Just as a note, you'll see this gasket right here. You want to make sure that there's a gasket there before you put an knuckle on, otherwise you'll have leaks. Oh, man, do not do that. Now I gotta go bobbing for... Got it. Nothing ever works out the right way. So you gotta make them work out. Okay. So we can see if there's any leaks and put the oil in. So let's talk about our K&N filter, and this is what we're oil filter while the other drains. You get filter, and we get the gasket too. I'm going to use 31/32. Let's pop it out. So one thing to note, so here's the old gasket on the lid. So that'll be this right here. You'll want it to go, now on the first one, right here. Not cooperating, there we go. Oh, there it is. And you put the new one on. You want to go in this space right here where it's intended. If you go all the way to the bottom, you'll have leaking issues. So let's set the new one in. Just drop it in. You'll hear a click. And we'll screw this on. As messy as if I put it. Let's go ahead and put our lid back on. And let's grab our oil pan. Let's get it out without spilling everywhere. Okay, the final steps is making sure you got your cap on your oil filter. Got your cap on your oil fill. We're going to turn this on and then look underneath to see if there's any leaks. Okay, let's go look underneath. Do we have any leaks? I don't think we got any leaks. I think that's a success story this time, as hard as it was. Yeah, we got oil up to the second mark. It's not continuous, but we just stopped it. We really need to run it for a little bit. So we'll check it over the next couple days. Let's button things down. One other thing I like to do is, instead of a sticker in the windshield, I'll put a calendar reminder 3 months from now with the mileage that of today. So in 3 months, I'll see a calendar for 90,505. Just a little tidbit. I hope you found this useful. If you got any questions, comments, I'm sure I did something you didn't like, but that's okay, because I'm doing what I can with what I got. And like most of you, that's where you're at too. Have a wonderful day.